Okay, so I let this dry for a few hours to make sure, and I put on a second coat. So now it's time to tile. I picked up Ivory iridescent glass, really beautiful 12 by 12 sheet. I have 2 of them. I should only need 1, but just in case I have 2, and I don't know if the camera can pick this up. This is very pretty. It has streaks of copper running through it. Okay, I've cleaned up the areas where the adhesive has come through the tile mesh a little bit too much, where it was too thick. I'm gonna let this sit and dry and then come back with the grout. The adhesive is dry, so I've gone ahead and sanded away as much as I could of the red paint that was covering the sides, and I'm gonna cover that now with a chocolate sprinkle brown, and once that's dry, I'll go ahead and apply my grout.